What's going on, guys? This is Chris again. So we have this 2021 Dash Ram. This is the 3500. This is the turbo diesel. This thing is super nice, super clean. And this one pretty much, well, the only thing with this is just different windows matching the rear factory. So and a sun strip. We did the sun strip as well. But just look at this, man. This thing is super nice. I really like how the screen and the interior is in these trucks. The smells as well. And this is the mega cab, so you have extra room. This thing is roomy. It's pretty big. Not just that, the power in this that's incredible. This turbo, this is really nice. So pretty much in this one with our nano ceramic XLRP. So the XLRP pretty much what it does, they give you 60% heat rejection, 99% UV, and you get 87% IR. So kind of give you a quick comparison and material sometimes. Compare my DAVIR and XLRP. The only difference is the infrared and heat rejection. So in XLRP, pretty much you get 68% heat rejection. In DAVIR you get 68, in XL you get 60%. So we're taking an 8% difference. In infrared, you get 92%, and XL you get 87%. So that's the only difference in the materials. But either one of them is gonna give you a full lifetime warranty against bubbling, peels, fading, distortion, anything. All right, guys. Send any questions, give us a call. 909-570-9954.